dami nila between Sun and Moon.
Sun and Moon.
Super dami din. Super.
Hey,
Gusto ng tabihan.
Sorry.
Show of strength.
Dito kami sa ano, middle.
Wait,
Sun
I'm gonna
and
go out. Panda, let's go raid again. I'm gonna...
Okay.
Mag-ano tayo? Magti-triple anchor ba tayo? Tingin mo?
I think so. Because they only have 2 main DPS.
Sa sana ko.
Okay. Hindi, kailangan ka sa Moon Endless. Ikaw yung DPS natin eh.
Sa ano?
Ah!
Pwede, kahit di na ako
Doon ka na
lumabas,
lang.
no, Wiz. Okay.
Did you see? Okay.
Guys,
And
gather
you
up, gather up. Gather up on our
You
usual spot.
rotate with us. But prioritize Moon.
Dito ako sa lower part.
Mario, huwag mo na kaming invite. Nasa loob na kami lahat.
Sorry.
Oh, umalis na yung between Sun and Moon na party.
Oh, yeah.
Sabi sa inyo, show of strength. Yun lang yan.
Lower Moon ako.
Oh, bumalik
Ayun.
sila. Nag-show of strength din sila.
Doraemon. Lower Moon. Wala ka pala sa comms.
Wiz,
Protect
Wiz.
me. Yes.
Kayo ni Panda kaya mag-anchor ng star.
Star? Let's see.
Si Endless gusto ko mag-handle ng mid eh. Kasi AoE DPS siya eh.
Oh,
But
no.
we're gonna rotate, okay?
You can rotate. Pero kumbaga pag kailangan ni Panda ng tulong, i-prioritize mo yung tulong mo dun.
Okay.
Ito is, i-wipe namin to. Itong nasa may star to Moon.
Sure.
Ay, medyo nagre-retaliate na sila. Oy, Hex. Umalis. Wala pala to sa party.
Hello.
Asan ka, Wiz?
Hello.
Star.
Go boss.
Star.
Left.
Tara, natin tong nandito sa lower Moon. May nag-aabang eh. Ay, nandyan na pala kayo.
Prima.
Tata.
Diablo mamaya.
Bloom. Just stick to Masa or Valencia.
Let's wipe them.
Ayan na.
Speaking to my party only, guys, we're mostly going to be on Moon. Okay, so that we can respond to either Sun or Star.
Hil, sa likod ka lang. No? Marami to. Marami kalaban. Reso mo na lang agad.
Hey,
Doing intercept. Private Wiz.
Kaya nga, sa likod ka lang.
Kojian is green, guys.
Kojian is good. We're gonna take. Can push Star.
They're coming.
We're
They're
intercepting those rotation.
Those on
rotating
Moon,
to
go
star.
to Star now. Go to Star now. Those on Moon, go to
Hil,
Star
tra.
now.
Star, Hil, Star.
Fight here at the
Shit. Ang
star.
sakit.
Wait, don't let me die. Gonna reset the star.
They took Star. They're taking Sun right now. Let's push Moon. Push Moon.
We're gonna intercept those rotating.
Shit.
Especially this Wanderer.
Moon lang, focus
I'm
lang,
dying
Hil,
a lot.
sa
Oh my
Moon.
god.
My party, focus sa Moon.
We need a stable foothold. Let's take Moon, guys.
We got 3.
We got
I'm
triple
taking
tap.
the star now.
Okay.
Tangina.
Gonna wipe everyone.
But they're gonna come.
Where? What side is? I'm gonna From the right.
From the moon.
Okay, okay.
No, they're staying in moon right now. The Poco is
We locked it, we
tanking
locked it.
like 7 people.
Lugi.
Sinong pumatay sa akin doon? Putik.
And
Oh,
push moon.
Viz, I don't think...
nahirapan ako sa mag-push ng moon.
where's-
Where's Zhao? Can someone report Zhao? Is Zhao staying on moon only? If yes, Endes rotate ka to Sun. Please and Panda will anchor Star, and then you and our Thai party can handle Sun.
Star is
They're
fine.
going to Sun.
Okay.
Should I need to move around?
Guys, don't respawn in moon ha, because they have a lot of people in the spawn area.
Sana yung healer ko. Heal. Sasan. Cancel
Sun is
ang
locked.
moon.
Gonna go to moon now. Gonna help.
I'm on moon.
Cancel ang moon.
Oh no, they taking my star. But I can't.
We're 300 points behind, guys. My party, can you respawn in Sun?
Oh no, Dad, don't share.
Dito din ako sa Sun.
You can reverse Star.
Ah! Zhao is in the star now. They're here already. Take the other tab. They're GX intercepting me.
Moon.
Wala, this expel GX. Always on me ah. Pinaabangan ako ng visa. I'll kill that.
Hold
expel
lang sa Sun. Heal.
Hold Sun, they're pushing moon. They're pushing Star. Let's put pressure on moon, guys.
Wala.
So many people outside. Go moon.
Go moon. And then they're coming from Star side ah.
Wala na, nalock na.
Wala na.
No, moon is not locked.
Tara, heal.
They won't let me get the star tab.
Papyo lang na damage.
Panda, we're in Star.
Okay.
Balik sa Sun.
Hindi, iwan niyo Sun. Pag nag-push yan, palit tower na lang. Trade towers tayo lagi. Trade towers. Moon is not locked, guys. Moon is not locked.
Oh, we can't help there.
Let's go moon. Panda.
I'm trying. Gonna rotate now. It's clear.
Most of their players are in moon spawn, guys ah.
Copy. And divided na yung nila.
Free it lang ako. Don't let me get...
Nis, did you get the mobs from Albaron spawn?
Oh.
No.
Lock, triple.
Going there.
Lock.
Nice one.
Nice one, triple lock. We still have 400, almost 500 points to catch up on. Star, can
Panda.
push.
Star. I'm there now. Shut na ako.
My party, let's go to Star. Bloom is already here, good job.
Oh, tsa.
They lock.
Okay, lock it.
Disperse on Star, protect Moon.
Reso. Huwag ka na mag-ruwak heal. Nagkakas ka pa ng ruwak.
Moon.
They're pushing Moon ah.
Oh.
Color will change in a few.
Ala.
Is Zhao on Moon right now? I can't see.
Can't see.
Everyone is in...
Then rotate out to Star.
Gonna go to star now.
Because the next thing that they will push, I think... No, they're going to Star right now. So you can defend Sun.
But we will delay. Protect the other.
Pucha, may
Uy!
naka ano pa.
Hindi pa nalock.
Reso Hill, Reso.
Star's not locked, guys.
Let me
Many
pre-hit.
people in star.
Tana nung expel talaga. Ako yung target.
Moon is open to push.
Tara, Moon.
Come rotate.
Damage lang konti. Pasok sa bilog.
Fight inside the tablet, yeah. Ay. No, it's not locked.
So many.
Can push.
Gonna go to Star Visa. I
Oh.
died.
Hill mo ko, wala akong buhay.
Zhao in Moon. Rotate out. Guys, we just want to avoid a full-on clash that they have Zhao on their side.
Zhao nasa Sun.
Zhao is pushing Sun, so let's push Star. And after we lock Star, let's go to Moon. Yun lang.
Wow! Visit talaga yung expel. Ako lagi hinahanap.
Star's lock.
Here.
See? The GX. Don't let me free hit. Nice reso.
Tara, Moon. Left and right. Pressure natin.
Go for side tablets, guys.
Reso.
Kill everyone here at Star. now.
Atras. Reso. Pagka-reso mo sa akin, atras ka agad.
Finally. Let's lock this one. Oh, incoming
Lock it down.
swarm.
And then go to Moon. Everyone on Star disperse and then go to Moon. Keep the pressure on.
Sa gilid lang tayo, Hill.
Muna ko. Kill muna ko.
Update on Zhao.
Uy, putik. How did I die there?
Atras, Hill.
I cannot
Atras.
target Otopagi.
Kill
Ano
that,
yun?
kill that guy.
Atras, Hill. Atras.
So many AOEs.
40 seconds to OB.
I
4 seconds.
died. Hold
We
on,
got,
let me try.
we got Star.
Ayun.
Now.
Handa, let's go.
I'm going.
Reso. Namatay ako.
Ang dami nila.
Baba.
One party. Sana may magic. Nice one. Wipe out.
Gosh.
Guys, 10
Expel,
seconds till
expel.
OB ah.
Protect me.
Where are you?
Ay na itong expel na to. Nanggigigil ako dito. Buhay pa yung mga supports. Ay,
Wala.
hindi na.
Wipe tayo. Wipe.
Oh,
GG is so strong.
GG's. Ano ng expel na yun?
No, we're not our 100 today. It's alright.
It's alright. We're not gonna go intra server, guys. Good job still.
Yeah, we're not going intra. Still, then ni Riz left us. May imagine.
Guys, I think the triple anchor, we can still improve on it. Kasi we're spread too thin.
We need and also to rotate.
You want me to anchor Moon?
No, I think a one side anchor will do always. And then what we do is we always gather in Moon.
Mm.
Moon will be our